In the distant past, people were both awed and alarmed by comets, perceiving them as long-haired stars that appeared in the sky unannounced and unpredictably. Chinese astronomers kept extensive records for centuries, including illustrations of characteristic types of comet tails, times of cometary appearances and disappearances, and celestial positions. These historic comet annals have proven to be a valuable resource for later astronomers. We now know that comets are leftovers from the dawn of our solar system around 4.6 billion years ago, and consist mostly of ice coated with dark organic material. They have been referred to as sturdy snowballs. They may yield important clues about the formation of our solar system. Comets may have brought water and organic compounds, the building blocks of life, to the early Earth and other parts of the solar system. Where do comets come from? As theorized by astronomer Gerard Kuiper in 1951, a disk-like belt of icy bodies exists beyond Neptune, where a population of dark comets orbits the Sun in the realm of Pluto. These icy objects, occasionally pushed by gravity into orbits bringing them closer to the Sun, become the so-called short-period comets. Taking less than 200 years to orbit the Sun, in many cases their appearance is predictable because they have passed by before. Less predictable are long-period comets, many of which arrive from a region called the Oort Cloud about 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun. These Oort Cloud comets can take as long as 30 million years to complete one trip around the Sun. Each comet has a tiny frozen part, called a nucleus, often no larger than a few kilometers across. The nucleus contains icy chunks, frozen gases with bits of embedded dust. A comet warms up as it nears the Sun and develops an atmosphere, or coma. The Sun's heat causes the comet's ices to change to gases, so the coma gets larger. The coma may extend hundreds of thousands of kilometers. The pressure of sunlight and high-speed solar particles, solar wind, can blow the coma dust and gas away from the Sun, sometimes forming a long, bright tail. Comets actually have two tails, a dust tail and an ion, gas, tail. Most comets travel a safe distance from the Sun. Comet Halley comes no closer than 89 million kilometers, 55 million miles. However, some comets, called sunracers, crash straight into the Sun or get so close that they break up and evaporate. How comets get their names? Comet naming can be complicated. Comets are generally named for their discoverer, either a person or a spacecraft. This International Astronomical Union guideline was developed only in the last century. For example, comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 was so named because it was the ninth short-periodic comet discovered by Eugene and Carolyn Shoemaker and David Levy. Since spacecraft are very effective at spotting comets, many comets have linear, SOHO or Ys in their names. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.